Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix error code 1053. The services did not respond to the start or control request in timely fashion in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to go command prompt, press on Windows key, then type here cmd, then right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, then type here netsh space winshock space reset, then hit enter, then type one more command ipconfig space / renew, then hit enter. After that, close this window, go to the register editor. Here copy and paste path. This path available on my video description. Copy and paste, then hit enter. Then right click here, click on new, then select here 32-bit, then rename services pipe timeout. Right click on this, click on modify, then type here value data 180000, then click on OK. After that, close this window. Again open command prompt, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, then type here sfc space / scan now, then hit enter. This will take some time. After completion, close this window and restart your PC or laptop. Fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.